Here's the video for the 2025 Equinox LT front wheel drive. Very sleek LED bar in the front. Spacious trunk, as well as space underneath. This car does have the convenience package, which costs $8,000. That will include things like leather seats, it will also include ambient lighting, the rear view mirror is going to be auto dim at night. This includes a wireless charger. The steering wheel is also going to be leather and heated.